Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is temitope banks for jeenagerbiz. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to monetize your channel in 2020 and how to make money online from your phone in Nigeria if you are based in Nigeria. So if you're interested in this type of content, then let's keep watching. So this video is in collaboration with the women on YouTube as well as some other fantastic content creators who I am going to leave their links in the description box, and they include EXTRASTEPSCEO. She shares a lot of content about making money online and being productive online basically. Also AUDACIOUS Super, she's also a YouTuber here that shares a lot of business tips that you want to check out our channel, as well as HELEVERON. So these fantastic women have also done similar types of content, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so please do check them out. How can you make money from your phone? How can you monetize your content? How can you monetize your channel? So how do you make money from your phone? There are different ways to make money from your phones, guys, but it's going to be a series that I'm going to be continuing. But for this first edition of this series, the first way you can make money on your phone is to begin to create content on YouTube. YouTube is a platform that is owned by Google, and it's a fantastic platform for content creators. So if you are a content person, you create content from your phone. As long as you have a good phone with good lighting and you can film, you can begin to make money with your phone posting your content on YouTube. Now a lot of people feel like to make money on YouTube, one of the ways to make money on YouTube is through AdSense. AdSense is an advertisers revenue generating system here on YouTube, whereby Google shares money generated from ads with content creators. But that is not the only way to monetize your channel. That's not the only way you can make money here on YouTube. There are other types of ways that you can make money from your phone, and that is what we're going to be talking about today. So I know a lot of you are familiar with AdSense, and a lot of creators are always thinking about, oh, when do I get my 4,000 hours watch time? When do I get my 1,000 subscribers? That is when I can begin to monetize my channel. But you don't have to wait for that, because even experienced creators, older creators, they will tell you that money from AdSense really is small compared to what you can generate if you make use of these other methods of monetizing your channel. So the first method I'm going to tell you about that you probably do not know is crowdfunding. So what is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding basically is when members of the public or members of your audience, okay, who love your content, donate to your channel. So you can either use PayPal, you can either use Patreon. Patreon is an app that a lot of content creators make use of, where they just put their links in the description box so that people who love your content, people who are invested in your channel, can actually support you as a creator. So you don't need to have AdSense. So you could have 100 dedicated people who actually love your content from your that you're making with your phone, and they can support your channel when you put your PayPal link or your Patreon link. And that is one way that you can monetize your channel without Google ads and all of that. So you don't have to have a large following, you don't have to have 4,000 watch time hours to put Patreon or PayPal or even your banker in 2020 and make money from your phone is to sell your services. So if you are into knowledge based niche, or you have knowledge about something that people are always asking you questions, you could sell your services. You could sell your coaching services, you could sell one-on-one services. So you could do strategy calls. So you just put a fee for that. So you don't have to have Google AdSense to make money through that method. Okay, so if you have a highly specialized niche where you are teaching people specific things on a particular subject matter, whether it's how to tie gele or how to do something, whatever it is, and people need your services, and it doesn't have to be a physical meeting. There are many one-on-one apps that you could use. You could use Telegram, you could use WhatsApp, you could use Zoom, you could whatever. There are many platforms, guys, that you could make use of, and you could get people to book ahead, okay, and they pay for your services. So for instance, probably you have knowledge about buying and selling from China, okay, that's something that a lot of people want to get into, and they don't have any idea where to start, where to get suppliers from and all that type of thing. But you have that knowledge, you could monetize that knowledge and say, okay, for 1 hour, for a 1 hour session with me, you could pay $50 or $100, whatever it is that you know. Okay, so you don't have to wait for Google AdSense or any of those things to monetize your channel. So selling your services is one very effective way that you can monetize your channel and make money from your phone. I know a lot of people who do WhatsApp. I personally, I do WhatsApp, I do Telegram and all of that, and I have made a lot of money from that. So that's a way to monetize what you know. So as you are still waiting for Google for you to reach your threshold and all of that, you can monetize your knowledge. The third way you can make money from your phone and monetize your channel in 2020 is to sell an ebook. So it also stems from what I just talked about previously, which is giving out your service. So you have a specific time whereby you say, okay, I'm giving you 1 hour of my time, but this is how much you are going to pay me. But in the case of an ebook, you kind of arrange your thoughts and put it in an ebook to solve a particular problem, or to solve a particular solution, or to give people information about a particular subject matter that you know that people in your niche or in the area where you are creating content around, they've been asking that question, and so you give them details in the book on how to go about it. So you can put a link in the description box for people to buy your book. You could promote your book within your videos. Okay, you don't have to wait for Google ads. That's something, if you have written a book, you've published an ebook. I help people write books. Okay, I can help you put your information together, and you've done that. You can put a screenshot somewhere on your videos and keep on promoting it. And especially, the truth of the matter, if it is knowledge that is in around the subject matter that you talk about a lot on your channel, one of the things I've discovered on YouTube is that the growth on YouTube is exponential. So probably you post a video today, as long as you do your homework, guys, your keyword, search engine optimization and all of that stuff, people will definitely find your video, especially if it is targeted at a certain specific people. And if somebody is searching for a particular information and they know that, oh, you gave them, they loved your personality, they loved who you are, they loved how you presented your information and all of that, they will want to buy from you. So they can buy your ebook, and you could sell your ebook. You could host your ebook on different platforms. There's Okada Books, there are a lot of platforms. Probably if you want me to do a video on platforms where you can sell your ebook, if you are based in Nigeria, please leave in the comment section so that I will create that information for you. The next thing that you could do is to create an online course. An online course is different from an ebook in the sense that it is more detailed, okay? And the beautiful thing about creating an online course is that it is an asset that you can have forever. All you need to do is to keep upgrading and updating the information. So you can create an online course about a particular subject matter, and it doesn't, because a lot of people think when we talk about online course, it's like your university day where it has to be one super complicated thing. No, it's just information that somebody is requesting for, that you package in a way that it is easily understandable and people can get the solution to what it is that they are looking for. So online courses are huge, and it's a great money spinner. Like, you can monetize your knowledge, anything that you know. If you're a good homemaker, you know how to arrange your house very well, you could monetize that knowledge. Or you are somebody who likes to cook, you just love cooking and all of that, you can monetize that knowledge with an online course. And it doesn't have to be something extra that is just a generalist kind of thing. You could pick a specific problem area that people are always asking questions and create an asset that is an online course from that particular area and begin to sell it to people. Okay, and you sell it over and over and over again. The beautiful thing about online courses is that when you sit down to create the content, it is for life. Okay, except you need to upgrade and all of that. And a lot of times one thing people fear is that, oh, what am I going to talk about? The truth of the matter is there's somebody you know more than. Okay, and a lot of times people don't want to learn from people that are high up there. They want to learn from somebody who has gone like 2 or 3 steps ahead of them, so that it is relatable and they can relate to the information that that person is providing to them. The final way that the final method that I'm going to talk about on how you can monetize your channel and how to make money from your phone is to sell on Instagram. Like, Instagram is a money spinner. If you are not playing on Instagram, like aside YouTube, I would suggest you create an Instagram account, and you can do every single thing that I've talked about before on Instagram. So I used to have a page on Instagram. I still have the page, but I no longer offer those services again, where I used to teach people how to maximize their Instagram accounts and all of that. So yeah guys, so these are just suggestions on how you can make money from your phone, okay, in 2020. Okay, and just make money on your phone if you're based in Nigeria, okay, because a lot of people are looking for information on how to do this stuff and also how to monetize your channel. Like I said, this video is in collaboration with the women on YouTube and these fantastic content creators, EXTRASTEPSCEO, AUDACIOUS, Super, and HELEVERON. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, if you want to create your ebook and you want to book a one-on-one strategy call with me for 1 hour, I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can contact me and we can help you get started on making money from your phone. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Toodles.